Hello guys, welcome to our ExamView tutorial series. In this session, I will teach you how to create a question bank. So the first thing you will do to make or to generate a test paper is to first create a question bank. Okay, so to create a question bank or a test bank, okay, so click this icon. Then enter the title of your question bank. So the title should be the topic of your um, subject. For example, if you are teaching statistics, you can type basic probability. Then you can also type the subtitle here if you want to be more specific of the topic. Okay, so you can leave it blank. Then click OK. Okay, so the question bank is the repository of all your questions. So this is not your test paper yet. Okay, this is only a question bank. Okay, so later on we will extract the questions here. Okay, so every time you generate a test paper, all questions should be taken in your question banks. Okay, so this is your question bank. So basic probability. Okay, so the next step is to add a question. So to add a question, click new. Okay, so these are the types of question that you can add in your question bank. First is a true or false for the true or false type of question, or a modified true or false if a if you want the student give the correct answer if the statement is false. This two will matter if you will use the um, ExamView exam player, or if you want the student uh, take the exam using the computer, okay, using that application, the exam player, okay. You can also create a multiple choice question for a question with only one answer, or you can make a multiple response question for question with more than one answers. Or you can also use by modal if you want a question that can be displayed either a multiple choice question or a short answer question. Okay, you can switch between these two. That is a bimodal question or a yes or no question, or a question with a numeric response, or a fill in the blank question or the completion, matching type, short answer, a problem, essay, case, and other type of question. So let us add a true or false question. Okay, so select the true or false here, then click OK. So this area is the question area, and this area is the explanation area. Okay, so and this is the your answer area. The question area and the answer area are mandatory field. All others are optional. Okay, so to enter a question, you can type your question here, or you can copy and paste from your source. Okay, so let us copy. So for example, this is your question. Example, you can copy this one, then paste it here, then rearrange the statement. Okay, you can um, edit the font size. Okay, then select the answer, either true or false. So this is true. Then select, then click the info. Okay, so difficulty, you can add, this is an easy question. You can also add a reference and the number of points for this question. Okay, so you can also add a topic and a keyword here. So let us leave it blank except for the difficulty. Okay, then click OK. Then record. So this is your first true or false question. Okay, I will add 4 more true or false question. Okay. Statement or second true or false statement. Okay, so example answer is false. Then info, this is a moderate question. Click OK. Record. Okay. Then another one. Third true or false statement. Info. Hard question. Click OK. Okay. Then the answer is true. Record. Okay. Another one. Fourth true or false statement. Okay. So the answer is true. Info. So instead of typing moderate, hard, and easy, you can now select, click this one. Okay, so easy, hard, moderate. So the exam view automatically record your level of difficulty. Select easy, then add, then click OK, then record. Before we will proceed, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated on our next tutorial video. So let us add another question. Click new. For example, modified true or false. Okay, so just like a true or false question, modified true or false has also a question area, but there is an answer area here for a false statement. Okay, so for example, I will paste a statement, then I will change this statement to joint event. So a joint event is an event specify a single outcome. Okay, so this statement is false. It should be simple. Okay, so that should be the answer. Okay, then the info, this is a moderate type of question. Add, then click OK, then record. Okay, as you observe that all questions are classified into their types. Example, true or false, and modified true or false. Okay, next is add a multiple choice question. Okay, so select multiple choice, then click OK. So in multiple choice question, you have a question here and the choices here below. Okay, so type your question here. For example, this one. Refer to a numerical value that represent the chance, likelihood, or possibility that a particular event will occur. Okay, so the number of choices is adjustable. Okay, so you can reduce the number of choices or you can add more choices. Here, for example, you want only 2 choices, like that one, or 3. So normally we have uh, 4 choices. Okay, then type your or type the choices. Okay, for example, statistics, probability. Okay, just press tab to go to the next choice. Regression, correlation. Okay, then select the correct answer. So the correct answer is B. Okay, and you can also adjust the arrangement of the choices. So since the choices can be arranged into 4-column table, okay, so we can adjust that columns. Okay, so click the columns here at the right bottom of your screen. Okay, then select 4. Okay, so do this to save space in your test paper. Okay, then click info and select the difficulty of this question. For example, this is a moderate question. Add and click OK. You can also scramble this question. For example, if you want to scramble all questions, select all, or you want only to scramble A to C question. Okay, select this one. Especially if you have a none of the above or all of the above choice at the last part of your choices. Okay, or select none if you don't like to scramble the choices. Okay, then click record. Okay, so this is your multiple choice question. Okay, so add more questions. Okay, click multiple choice. Then okay. So choice question 2. Okay, so answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. So this is for demo purposes only. Okay, then select the answer and okay, hard, click OK, then record. Okay, so another question, multiple choice. So MCQ number 3. Okay, number 3. Answer 1, answer 2, answer 4. Okay, select the answer. Okay, so if you have a questions that has a none of the above answer, so for example, MCQ number 4. Okay, you can type the example here. This is your answer. If your answer can't be fit in the table, okay, so you can select column then 1. Okay, example like that one. Okay, then none of the above. Okay, so in the scramble portion, select scramble only A to C. Okay, then this is a hard question. Okay, then select the correct answer. Example, none of the above. Then record. To add a fill in the blank question, click new. Then select completion. Then click OK. So then add your question here. Then add your question here. Example, this question or this statement. You need to manually enter the blank portion. For example, this one, this area. Okay, so copy the answer section. Okay, so this one we will replace it with blank or underline. Okay, then info, then select the difficulty. Okay, then click OK, then record. Okay, so that is your fill in the blank question. Okay, next is we will create a matching type question. Okay, so select matching, click OK. So in matching type question, in this area you will fill in the possible answers, and in this area is the question. Okay, so for example, let's reduce the number of possible answer to 6 or to 5. Okay, example answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 5. Okay, then also reduce your question into 5 questions, or you can also add one more answer. Okay, answer 6. Okay, so this is question 1. Okay, question 2. 4, 5. Then what is the answer? For example, here is B, A, C, F, E. Okay, then click record. Okay, so this is your matching type question. Okay, so all other questions have the same process with the previous questions we add. Okay. Okay, so next is you need to save the test bank. Okay, so to save the test bank, click File, then Save, then select your file path. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, to sort your file, you need to create a new folder for this one. For example, test bank. Okay, then add another folder for the subject, statistics. Okay, then your file name is the topic, probability. Okay, then save. Okay guys, that's all for now. In this video, you learn how to install the software and create your test bank. In the next part of this video, I will teach you how to create the test paper. Have a good day!